Well, let's take a look at how to use the Audience Insights report in your Google Ads. So first of all, there's a couple of places where you can get some insights about your audience in your Google Ads account. So if you're in Google Ads, first place I'm going to go to is under Audiences, Keywords, and Content, and then click Audiences. This is going to show us some different audience segments. Of course, we've actually added these. You can click Edit Audience Segments here. You can add to like specific campaigns or ad groups as you wish. And you can essentially assign audiences to run alongside your ads, which gives you some information about how those audiences are performing. We can see here that there's specific audiences like home and garden that are performing quite well, and others that are not doing, some that aren't even running at all, right? It's also going to give us some audience segment data here. At some point, it says it's going to be coming our way soon. One thing I find really helpful, though, is to see the demographics, like the age and the gender and the household income of the audience that's interacting with our ads. So we can see the conversions, cost per conversions of different age groups, genders, household income, etc. So in our case, it's looking like most conversions are coming from female and a few are coming from male, and the male demographic is costing a lot more. So we might look at excluding these, excluding males from seeing the ads and having only females see our ads. Yeah, you get the idea, right? Same thing with household income. We're going to see that like unknown performs quite well, top 10% really expensive. Some of these others kind of in the middle. Lots of data we can dig into here to know what our audience is, what's happening with our audience, right? There's another place which is under Insights and Reports up here. And you got to make sure you have all campaigns selected, but you'll see this option for Insights. If you click Insights, it's going to give you insights into all sorts of different things like budget pacing, overall performance, performance highlights, and oftentimes it'll have all sorts of audience data in here as well. So we can see kind of like what's happening with specific audiences in the United States here, some suggested trends. There's actually not a ton showing up here for audiences, which is why I started with this over here. So this is basically where I would recommend starting out to look at what's happening with your audience, and then of course dig into the insights over here. It's going to be different for every single campaign, every different account, so I'm not necessarily going to go into the specifics about exactly what to do with all this data, but I just wanted to show you where this data lives so that you can access it and start using these reports to your advantage. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of audience insights or anything of that nature, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.